Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is slow cooked lamb shanks. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. The making of this video came with some personal anguish for me. Keep watching, you'll see what I mean. Okay, first thing we do is heat the oil in a suitably sized pan until it's nice and hot. Then add the lamb shanks and brown on all sides. And when this is achieved, put into a suitably sized oven-proof dish. When you remove the lamb shanks, add the butter to the pan, and when it's melted, add in the vegetables and give it a thorough mix together. And just for the record, they're carrots, parsnips, leeks, red onions, garlic and potatoes. But as I said, they're all listed in the ingredients below anyway. Next, add salt and pepper to taste. Then the 2 tablespoons of flour and mix in thoroughly. It was adding the next ingredient that made my world collapse. I have a mantra: the more wine you put in a dish, the less you've got to drink after. And we had 1 bottle of wine in the whole house. So this is what happened.
Where's the wine?
Don't know.
Where's the wine?
I don't know.
Where have you hidden the wine?
It's in the cupboard.
Thank you. Right, how much of this lovely wine are we going to put in the pan?
Not too much, not too much.
Oh, a little bit more, I think.
When you get over the trauma of your wife putting half of the only bottle of wine you have in the house into the pot, add the red currant jelly, mint sauce, rosemary, bay leaves and thoroughly mix together. Cook this mixture through for a minute or two, then add to the lamb shanks. We're using an oven-proof saucepan here, but you can use any suitably sized cash flow dish, as long as it's got a tight fitting lid. The next thing to do is top up the dish with water until it comes up 2/3 up the side of the meat. Then it's on with the lid and off to a preheated 150°C oven for 3 hours. That's 150°C oven for 3 hours. When the 3 hours are up, simply remove from the oven, remove the lid and serve. Serve this with a glass of red wine if you've got any bloody left. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe in these troubling times, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.